And we are on in 3, 2, 1. Hello, hello. Welcome back to Jude Making Money. It's me, Jude. Okay, so today is the first week I have the YouTube channel for the podcast. So it's called Jude Making Money Extras. Subscribe. And I am Jude. So, today, I am going to be talking a little bit about the YouTube channel for maybe like 2 minutes, and then we are going to get into the good stuff today. Okay, so a little bit about the YouTube channel. Now, I don't really know exactly what time episode's gonna the video's gonna come out every week. Probably it's going to come out maybe since this is the first week, it probably is going to come out at around, I'm guessing, 4 o'clock in the afternoon. So, but anyway, I post on Spotify and stuff at around 9 o'clock. Sometimes I just forget to publish, so today we are going to be talking about art. Now, art is very popular. Art is very popular in many places, and there has to be somebody to make the art. So, I'm going to talk to you about making and selling art. Hold on just a second. Okay, that's better. I put the filter thingy above the microphone. I just have to check something real quick. So, we are going to be talking about art. Now, with art, it's kind of complicated on how it is sold. So, it starts with somebody making it. And to make the art, they have to have kind of an idea for it. So, it's hard to make ideas. That's why I'm here. So, anyway, you make your art piece, and then you take it to somebody and see if they want to buy it. Now, if they buy it, that's good for you. So, good for you. Okay, then, also, there's many other things that can happen. So, somebody could just, buy it and then, I guess just donate money, which, cool. People can also just pay you to make the art, and then they'll keep it and sell it, or they could just buy it and then sell it. So that's what people do. But art can be really expensive, so if you can get good quality art, good quality, like this podcast. Okay, so you want to have your good quality. Then, once you get your good quality art, you can do what I said for selling it. And that's good for you, because you get the money. they might make more money than they sold it. They might make more money than they sold it to you for, but you're making the money, so it's still good on your part. Now, some of the most expensive art are kept really well preserved, so you want that to be like yours, so really well preserved and really valuable. Now, some are going to sell your art to like books, which are going to put your art in them, then you get paid for the books, I think. But the reason why we're doing art today is because next week we are going to be talking about crafts. And then I just thought of this now, but I have a turtle business called Turtle Arts and Crafts. So that we're gonna probably do that upcoming. Then we also are going to attempt to be the first podcast episode of 2022. So if I check my calendar, it is going to be on a Saturday, so actually we're going to post 2 episodes that day. Let me just fact check this. So we should be posting 2 that day. So that is pretty good. Yep, okay, yeah, so 1 at the end of the year, 1 at the beginning. So that's what's going to be happening. Then also make sure you check out the channel, and we're going to be back to the art now. So some of the most important arts are held really secure and worth millions. Now, you might not make the millions, but you're still going to make a lot of that. So that's what you're going to be going for. So, and also make art that people want. Just don't make like art that you think would be good. So like, don't draw an Xbox controller, because A, it's copyright by Microsoft. B, nobody wants that except some people, but not a lot, and not like enough that it would be in a museum. And that's your goal, to try to get it into a museum so it can be worth lots of money. Money, as in Jude making money. Now, yeah, that's pretty, yeah. Like Keegan, he makes a lot of art, and they're pretty bad, but somebody would still buy it. And Keegan also sells crafts, so that's good for him. But not many people buy the crafts, but more people will buy the art. like, if somebody likes a dog, you should, well, you should probably do a picture of a dog anyway, but, lots of people like dogs, so that would be good for you if they buy a picture of a dog. And also, you can't just steal pictures off the internet and trace them and claim it as yours because copyright stuff. So you want to make sure of that it's not like an exact copy of somebody else's work, or they might think that you copied off of them. So next week we are going to be doing crafts. That's going to be a lot more fun than this. So thank you everybody for listening. See you guys next week. Hello.